DevSecOps also. Can you tell me what it is about and what are the skills required to get into this information?
Yeah. So DevSecOps is about securing the DevOps. Okay. So first, if you want to make a career in DevSecOps, you have to learn about DevOps. What is DevOps? So learn about that, then learn about different tools that are involved in DevOps. Learn about how a CI/CD pipeline looks like, how you can implement different security solutions there.
Okay.
So you can start with that. So some of the technologies in DevOps are, you can learn, again, the networking and Linux concept will help in any of the domains.
Okay.
Then you can learn about how Git works. Then there are different solutions like Terraform, you have Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible. So you can read about these things.
Okay.
Once you have knowledge on this, then you can learn about the security side of things, how you can integrate different security solutions in the DevOps pipeline.
Okay.
There are two different technology which are two different things, I would say, like you can learn about what is static testing, what is dynamic testing, what are the security solutions for these type of testing, and how you can implement these security solutions in the DevOps pipeline, so that when your software is getting from the initial stage to the deployment stage and then to the production, how the vulnerabilities are prevented in the initial stages.
Okay.
You are not finding the vulnerabilities after the app is in production, but you are catching the vulnerabilities earlier in the CI/CD pipelines by implementing these security solutions.
Nice. Sashi, can you tell me how to start learning cloud security?
Okay.
So this is also very important.
Yeah.
Viewers also want to know more about this.
So cloud is one of the areas which is very interesting to me. And very dear to my heart, because when I started learning the cloud, I actually loved it.
Okay.
So, and this is one of the upcoming fields.
Okay.
So how you can get started in cloud? I would say take one of the cloud providers. Let's say you can take AWS, and then you start learning about the architecture of AWS.
Okay.
How AWS works and what solution they offer. And how they are different from, or I would say how things works in cloud. Learn about that. Then you can learn about the different services provided by AWS. And the most important thing that you have to learn about cloud is the identity and access management solutions.
Correct.
So these are the places where misconfigurations happen in this identity and access management, as well as in different services of the cloud providers.
Nice.
So learn about these services. Then you can switch to different cloud vendor, and let's say you are onto Azure. Again, learn about their architecture. More or less the architectures are same for any of the cloud providers.
Okay.
But there is little bit of differences. So once you have a core knowledge of cloud, then you can just transition in any of the clouds. So once you know how cloud works, what is the basic architecture of cloud, then you can learn about the different misconfigurations that can happen in different services of these cloud providers. A very excellent resource is the Hactrix blog. So you can always refer that, because they have attack vectors on each of the cloud solutions. So you can start learning that. There are different labs also on cloud vulnerabilities. I think one excellent lab is from Redfox. I think the lab is called Cloud Foxable.
Okay.
There is one from Rhino Security Labs. I think I am forgetting the name of the lab, but they have one. You can Google it. Scout the lab from Rhino Security Labs.
Okay.
You can find one an amazing lab.
Nice.
Yeah. So this is how you can get started.
Okay.